Going for the important questions now. Now the question is 1 to 4 x square minus x dx. Now comparing with a to b fx dx. Now what we are getting? Fx is equal to x square minus x, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4. Now next step was h is equal to b minus a upon n, where n belongs to natural number. So h is equal to, or nh is equal to 4 minus 1, nh is equal to 3. Now writing the theorem. Limit h approaches to 0 h with fa a plus h, a plus 2h, f a plus n minus 1 h. Now going individually for the terms. fa is equal to f1. Now f1 and fx is what? X square minus 1. So it becomes x1 square minus 1. This is equal to 0. First term is 0. f a plus h, f 1 plus h, 1 plus h whole square minus 1, minus 1 plus h. Okay. So now solve this part. What we are getting? 1 plus 2h plus h square minus 1 minus h. So we are left with h plus h square. Then f a plus 2h. Now this is equal to f 1 plus 2h. This is equal to 1 plus 2h whole square minus 1 plus 2h. Now solving this, what we are getting? 1 plus 4h plus h square minus 1 minus 2h. Now we are left with 2h plus, sorry, here it will be 4h square, 2h plus 4h square. Going for the final term, that is the last term. fa plus n minus 1 h. This is equal to f1 plus n minus 1 and h. Now 1 plus n minus 1 h whole square minus 1 plus n minus 1 with h. Now this becomes what? 1 plus 2 n minus 1 h plus n minus 1 whole square h whole square minus 1 minus n minus 1 h. N minus 1 h plus n minus 1 whole square h whole square. So now what we are having? First term, second term, third term and the last term. Now let's put these terms in the theorem. So we will be having now integration for limit h approaches to 0 h with 0. So I am not writing 0, I am starting from here, h plus h square plus 2h plus 4h square, 2h plus 4h square plus plus n minus 1 h plus n minus 1 square h square. Now solving further, limit h approaches to 0 h. Now taking h common, 1 plus 2 plus n minus 1, one thing, plus h square, taking common h square, what we are having, 1 plus 2 square Is it clear? Now this becomes limit h approaches to 0 h with h n minus 1 n upon 2 plus h square n minus 1 n 2n minus 1 upon 6 limit h approaches to 0. Now h and h square, okay, with two terms now, nh minus h and nh upon 2 plus nh minus h nh 2nh minus h upon 6. Now what is nh? We are having nh as 3. So this becomes now 3 minus 0 with 3 upon 2 plus 3 minus 0, 3, 6 minus 0 upon 6. So we are having 9 upon 2 plus 9. This 6 and 6 cancels. 9 upon 2 plus 9. So this becomes 9 plus 18 upon 2 and this is equal to 27 upon 2. And this is the answer.